Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2009 Subaru Legacy, we're gonna be replacing the headlight lenses. Let me show you these things. You can tell these are pretty hazy. Now we can buff these out, get pretty decent results, but nothing like brand new headlights. Let's get started. So we wanna pull our bumper forward so we can get access to the bolts underneath. We can start by removing our top clips. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a pair of pliers like this. There should just be 2 of them on top. Pull up, and that's the clip we're removing. We have 1 on the other side. Now let's go to the wheel well. Underneath on the side, we'll have 2 clips we'll want to remove. You can use a flat screwdriver or those same pair of pliers. There's 1, there's 2. Set those clips aside. Now that those lower clips are out, we'll pull on our bumper skin and get our black plastic to come out like that. And just keep pulling, bringing it out. Perfect. Now up here is a little clip we want to pull out. So we'll use that same tool. Sorry if my head's in the way, I just need to see the clip. Let's turn the tire a little. There, that gives us a lot more access. We'll pull down. There we go, got that clip. We'll do the same thing to the other side. Now we can take our bumper and peel out on it. There we go. Let's do the other side. You kind of push up on the bumper and pull out at the same time. Give it a wiggle. There we go. Now let's go to the front. In the front, we have 4 retainers. We want to take a little flat screwdriver or a pick, push on the center, and then pull forward, and that'll release that tab. Do that to all 4 of them. There we go. So now this whole thing should come off, just like that. You may have a few more clips in the front underneath. You want to remove those to get the entire bumper off the way we did. But you can opt to leave those on and just have the whole bumper sloughed down onto the ground. That's perfectly okay. Now we have perfect access to our whole headlight assemblies. Let's unbolt them. So everything should be a 10 millimeter. We'll start up here. 1 on the front. 1 here. All right, this whole unit should come forward. What are we missing? Oh, I missed 1 in the front there. There's a total of 7 fasteners. Pull that forward, perfect. Now we'll just disconnect the electrical connectors in the back. We get a flat screwdriver to get that harness connector. So this little harness retainer, we just pinch on both sides, and that'll slide through. There, just like that. Perfect. Now we need to transfer over this plastic piece here to our new headlight. There it is, brand new headlight lens. So there should be just 1 more 10 millimeter bolt in the top front. Get this out of your way. This whole plastic piece should come off, just like that. Take off our plastic protection. Put the plastic over it. Put that bolt in. Just snug. I did go ahead and swap out new bulbs. These do come with bulbs, but they're not the brand I like. Now we just slap it on, plug it in first. There we go. You start feeding the bolts through. Nice, that looks really good. Let's do the other side. So it's just gonna be the same thing. This is missing a top bolt up here, but get all the others. There should be 6 on mine. Electrical connector's a little shorter on this side. Reach my hand around and undo it. There we go. And get the little harness retainer. There we go. Perfect. And we just have that 1 screw again. Easy as pie. Take the plastic off the new one. Screw in. All right, just like the other side, I'm gonna change out the bulbs real quick. All right, that was quick. Then we can plug it all in. Just gonna move this little washer fluid bottle out of the way a little. Get my hand in there a little better. Perfect. Slide this back. Get all our bolts back in. All right, put our bumper back on. Bumper should slide on pretty nicely. There we go. We want to make sure that it goes underneath the headlight, right in that little plastic spot. Just kind of dry fit it at first. Same on this side. Now we want to do the front first, so just hit on it. That'll lock it in. There we go, locks in under the headlight. We could put our little top retainers back. Just push it, it should snap in. Perfect. We got our 2 upper clips. 1, 2. Now we can get our wheel wells. So this here should just snap in. There we go. I'll put on our side clip, peel this back, push it in, get it lined up. There we go. Perfect. Now we'll put our wheel well back in. There, nice. Now we'll do our 2 under clips. That's it. We'll do the same thing to the other side. All right, there you go. That's how you can replace headlight lenses on a Subaru Legacy. All in all, not too bad. And the results you get are amazing. Loving them headlights. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.